Welcome to Be Unleashed, and let's talk about why am I doing this anyways. I'm doing this to say upfront, so we are clear. I'm figuring this out as I go. The tech, the setup, the delivery, none of it is perfect. If I were going to do this properly, I'd wait. Get the lights right, batch the content perfectly, follow the YouTube playbook. But that's not what the point is, right? I've been an entrepreneur for almost 2 decades now, built multiple businesses, failed, succeeded, pivoted more times than I remember, and ended up doing projects that I didn't even know why I was doing. Anyways, now here's something I know for sure. Entrepreneurship isn't just about business. It's like personal development accelerated. Every lever forces you to meet yourself, your conditioning, your stories, your beliefs, the invisible ceilings you didn't even know. Like you were kind of living under. What started for me as something like, hey, I'm so bored, turned into an agency while I was doing other projects, and then it turned into a coaching business that now I run with my sister. From the outside, it all looked intentional. But from the inside, there were so many moments I held myself back. Sometimes consciously, sometimes without realizing it. Not because I wasn't capable, but because I was carrying stories about how big I was allowed to want. So, this is kind of an experiment. Most people are told to post 1 or 2 videos a week. I'm choosing to show up every day for the next 30 days. I have like about 23 subscribers on YouTube, around 3,000 people on Instagram. I don't even know what will happen. If I fail, then it's done here publicly. But what if it doesn't happen that way? What if showing up honestly, perfectly? What if it doesn't fail? What happens then? What if I just showing up honestly and imperfectly without performing actually builds something? Actually helps real people. That's what I intend to do. Even if one of you stays for the whole 30 days and notice something shifting in what you allow yourself to want, or to say it out loudly, or to go after it, just tell me. I'd love to know. Because then I'll know this worked. Because this is not just about growth and everything else. Sure, I am building a brand, aren't I? But because this is where I am showing up unedited, raw, and because I told the truth fully.